In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a film with Runway Gen-3. To kick things off, head over to the Runway ML website. Simply open up your preferred browser and type in the URL to get to the site. Once you're there, you'll be greeted with a clean and intuitive interface. Log in by choosing your preferred method, whether through Google, Facebook, or a traditional email login. It's quick, straightforward, and ensures your work is saved as you proceed. Now, once you're logged in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the homepage. Explore your surroundings a bit. This is where you'll access all the incredible tools that Runway Gen-3 has to offer. At first glance, you'll notice various options that outline what kinds of projects you can dive into. This is the creative playground where you decide what you'd like to create, whether it's a video, image, or even a campaign mood board. For the purpose of this tutorial, let's go ahead and choose one of these options. In my case, I'll pick Build a Campaign Mood Board, but your choice might differ based on your project needs. It's all about preference and the goals of your creative endeavor. As you make your selection, navigate to the bottom left corner of your screen. You'll find a handy little chat box here. This feature can be quite useful, offering prompts and suggestions that might just inspire your next project. Type in your desired prompt, something that speaks to the theme or mood you're aiming to achieve with your film. When working with AI, clear prompts are key. The more descriptive you are, the better the results. Be patient, as image generation might take a little time to complete. This is entirely normal, considering the complexity and quality of what's being created. Once the AI finishes generating images, it will generate some suggestions on your next steps. This feedback is valuable, helping guide you on how to refine or expand your project further. One practical suggestion you'll find if you're keen on moving into video work is to look for the Create a Video Clip option. This will be an essential step if a video is your ultimate goal. Keep in mind, though, that to fully utilize these video creation tools, you may need to upgrade your account to a plan that supports video output. It's an investment in your creative toolkit, expanding what you can accomplish on this platform. So there you have it, a structured way to start making a film with Runway Gen-3. It's a platform filled with opportunities for creativity and innovation. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful and that it inspires you to create something truly unique. Happy creating!